Ever wonder why buttons always seem to beg you to click them? Let's talk about Fitt's law. So, Fitt's law states that the time to click a target depends on its size and distance. Bigger and closer targets are faster to hit. Today, I'm breaking down the key points you really need to know. Distance and size. Bigger and closer targets are faster to click. For example, your CTA needs to be in just the right spot and the perfect size to grab attention. Now let's talk about the thumb zone. It's all about designing for easy reach and comfort on mobile devices. In the thumb zone, we have three key areas. Natural zone, green. Super comfy and easy to interact with. Stretching zone, blue. Takes a little effort, but still doable. Hard zone, dark blue. Tough to reach and not user-friendly. Keep these zones in mind when designing for mobile. Edge and corner. Targets placed near the screen edges or corners are faster to tap, making them prime spots for important actions. For example, when you use Google, you'll notice the back arrow or reload button is placed in the top left corner. This makes it super easy for users to tap without stretching. Minimize travel. Always keep related actions close to each other to save users time and effort when navigating your design. For example, place submit and cancel buttons right next to each other for easy access. Group navigation items together at the bottom of the screen to keep everything within reach. And the last is, avoid tiny targets. Small buttons are a pain to tap, so make them bigger and easier to hit for a smoother user experience. And that's it. These are the main key points you really need to know. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. See you in the next video.